Hey everybody. So holding a grudge against somebody is like being constipated, but only in your mind, right? It's like holding on to crap that doesn't serve you, makes you heavy. You might as well just let it out. But of course, this is easier said than done. Forgiveness is essentially a three-part process. The first part is accepting that you're feeling this way and not feeling guilty for it. Because if you started feeling guilty about it, then you would have two bad emotions, the grudge and the guilt. So you might as well accept it. Once you've accepted it, the second stage is introspecting, is trying to understand that would every person in your situation feel as mad. The chances are that we are more raw and sensitive to certain situations, right? We get more mad at certain specific situations than others. That means a counterpart, right, is of that trigger is in our mind. What is it that makes me so sensitive to a certain situation? That's going to give you, that basically gives us information to our soul. It gives us information that we need, the baggage that we need to release ourselves of. Once we've done that, a lot of the healing already happens. The third step then is to create gratitude in place of those negative emotions, to feel grateful to have this opportunity to look within ourselves and really, really heal. So once again, forgiveness is a three-part process. First is accepting, second is introspecting, and the third thing is creating gratitude in place of those emotions. And the reason why I talk about forgiveness is if you cannot forgive, like forgiveness is the hottest, heaviest emotion. It really weighs us down physically and mentally and affects our physical health. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you.